Have you ever tried hanging aluminum foil from a branch, or even on your doors and windows? It may look simple, but the results are surprisingly powerful. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use this everyday material to protect your garden naturally. Aluminum foil, first patented in 1903, became famous for food storage, but its reflective surface has many other uses. Now let's put it to work in your garden. Start by cutting a strip of foil, either new or reused. Smooth it out and fold it so it holds shape. This makes it easier to reflect light. Next, attach a piece of string or thread, or even use a tack if you plan to fasten it to a solid surface. This step is important because the movement of the foil is what creates the deterrent effect. Now, hang your prepared foil from a tree branch, window, or doorway. When the sun hits it, the shiny surface bounces light in unpredictable flashes. These sudden reflections confuse and scare away birds, flies, and other pests that would otherwise damage your plants. The gentle rustling of the foil in the wind also adds sound, creating another layer of protection. This simple method is chemical-free, safe for your plants, and amazingly effective. Try it once and you'll see fewer unwanted visitors in your garden. If you found this tip helpful, share it with friends and subscribe. It's free, and we'll keep bringing you more natural solutions.